Today, I am making one of Jamaican favorite dish. Rice and peas recipe goes well with some nice curry chicken or whatever you choose. So first, I have my red kidney beans. I'm just gonna measure. I'm using 1 cup of red kidney beans. And once I measure my kidney beans, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it and pour some water in a container and leave it to soak overnight. They have it to say once you soak the peas, then it releases gas, or it takes less time to cook. What do you think? Now that my peas is soaked, I'm just gonna add some garlic to the water for boiling. Then I'm gonna add my peas. So next I'm gonna add salt, and whenever you soak your peas, do not throw off the water. I do not throw it off because I think that it still have that flavor and the color as well, so I do not throw it off. So once my peas is cooking, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix my coconut powder. In Jamaica, normally you grate your coconut or you blend it, but I think that is more tedious, so I just choose to go the easiest way. So now that my peas is soft and tender, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour in the coconut milk that I just mix. And if you are new, guys, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. So here I have some scallion and onion, pepper for flavor, pimento or allspice berry, ginger, more garlic, thyme, butter, yes, and I had some sugar as well. Most people probably do not add sugar to the rice and peas, but I like to add it a little bit. Goes well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my rice. I'm using basmati rice here. Yes, so normally you want to wash your rice until the water is clear. If it is cloudy, that means your rice is not washed properly. So I'm just gonna wash my rice. The correct measurement will be in the description box, so ensure that you check it out. Once I finish wash the rice, I'm just gonna put it in the pot and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or even 25 minutes, depending on how high you turn on your stove for. So I'm just gonna stir it so that the peas can distribute evenly in the rice. Yes, and this is how it turned out. It is tasting so good, and I pair this with some stewed chicken.